this is how your liked videos would be seen in the YouTube app on your mobile. And I'm just gonna show you how can you access this liked videos on your mobile. But before I take you to that, you can see that these liked videos is in the form of a playlist, and that playlist is private, and it also shows how many videos are there in this playlist. Like in my case, there are 400 videos in this playlist, and you can sort by shorts, videos, and all. Meaning by that, if you want to see what kind of shorts did you like, you need to click this and you will see all your shorts that you liked here. And overall you can click all, and in case of videos you will get the videos. And now, before I take you to how can you access this, let me show you one thing which I am sure that you would require to know, which is that how can you delete these liked videos from your account. So in that case, you need to click on to these three vertical dots on to the right side of the video, and then from the pop-up menu, the last option is remove from liked videos, and once you will click that, you will see that has been removed. Otherwise you can slide left and click delete like this one. So in this case you can go one by one and delete these. And now is the time that I'm going to show you how can you access these. So for that, you need to make sure that you are logged into the right account for which you want to see the liked videos. And once you have done that, click on to the your avatar icon, which is towards the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you will click that, you will reach to your account. On the top you will have your channel name, and then you will have few tabs down below the channel name, followed by your history playlist. You can see all the videos that you watched previously, and then comes the playlists. In that you will see all the playlists that you have created, but there would be one playlist which by default would be called liked videos. And once you will click that, you will reach to all your like videos playlist. Thanks for watching.